There are a couple of other requirements that we need to talk about. The first is that you have to have reliable transportation. That means that you need to be able to get to the job wherever the job is, whatever time the job starts and whenever the job finishes.
To have a reliable transportation is very important in this trade.
Reliable transportation is very important because if you go to start your car in the morning and it doesn't start, you're not going to make it to work.
In one day you can move 3 times, 4 times, whatever the contractor needs you to do.
Construction jobs are often odd, long hours, and so it's not always easy to rely on public transportation to be able to get there. On some jobs, that may be okay, but you're limiting yourself if you don't have a driver's license and a vehicle. Having a driver's license and a vehicle is not a requirement to apply to the program, but employers may require you to have a driver's license, and it just adds to your employment opportunities if you are mobile.
Most employers out here in the field rely on your skills, and they would love to have you drive company trucks, and you need to have a driver's license to move an equipment or go to the yard and pick up materials, and they need a person that they can count on to give a list, to get in the vehicle and go get what we need out here in the job site.
Another thing we need to talk about is drug testing. Construction is a dangerous industry. It's no place for drugs or alcohol.
Drug and alcohol use is not tolerated on the construction site.
In order to be accepted for the physical evaluation, you'll have to take a drug test first. If you pass that and pass the physical evaluation, you'll also be required to take drug testing every time you go out to a job.
We get random drug tests out here, and then also if you get in an accident, you will get a drug test.
So drug testing is a regular part of this industry.
Bottom line is, if you want to become a professional, there's just no room for it.
If you're not clean and sober, don't apply.
The PCT, pre-construction training.
The physical evaluation involves a group of tasks that laborers typically perform. You'll have to complete all those tasks to be accepted into the program.
It just gets you ready for on-the-job things you have to do and make sure that you're prepared. Got to get your mind in the game and just push through it and do it.